Hello, my name is Ikuharada, President of NSIM United Steel, a subsidiary company of Nippon Steel. We are cold-rolled and galvanized steel sheet producer in Thailand, with capacity 1.3 million tons per year, established in 1995. We have adopted and implemented TPM philosophy for these 16 years since 2005. All through this TPM journey, I am assured that TPM can improve and bring sustainability to our company. In this year, 2021, I am very delighted that we can achieve TPM world-class level. On this occasion, I would like to express my gratitude for kind and warm support from JIPM and all advisors. What follow a short VTR about our company profile, overview of our TPM activities, and words from our staffs. Thank you and Koppunka.
We are NS Siam United Steel, or in short NSSUS. We manufacture and sell cold-rolled steel sheet, galvanized and galvanized steel sheet in coil, used for manufacturing automobiles, electrical appliances, pipes, containers, cans, and furniture in Thailand, with capacity 1.3 million metric tons per year. NSSUS is located in WHA, Eastern Industrial Estate, Rayong Province, Thailand. Our factory started production in 1998 with Nippon Steel technology. After starting operation for 7 years, we adopted TPM philosophy in 2005. Our roadmap toward world-class level starting from 2005. After implemented TPM for 4 years, we achieved excellence level in 2008. Then another 2 years for consistency level, and 2 years for special level in 2010 and 2012, respectively. To achieve advanced special level, we took 5 years in 2017, and finally, for world-class level, it was 3 years, which we finally can achieve in 2020, totally 16 years. In TPM Part 1, our strategy is to strengthen plant culture by introducing basic 8-pillar system. In TPM Part 2, our strategy is to improve competitiveness by establishing innovative TPM and target costing. In Part 3, our strategy is to sustain competitiveness. We apply endless improvement via an SSUS way, and also connected all pillars with management targets, including expansion to supply chain and marketing TPM. We also introduced perfect manufacturing system, direct manufacturing system, smart NSSUS, value cost metrics, and knowledge management. For future of our NSSUS, we will keep pursuing our long-term roadmaps towards NSSUS prosperity in the 21st century.
To sustain profit-making ability, we will pursue expanding sales revenue and developing new product and technology.
In the next 5 to 10 years, we will keep further on our endless improvement via creative TPM with Industry 4.0 concept.
With the unification of factory team and marketing team through marketing TPM, we will increase company profit by pursue best cost position and increase sale order with the cheerful mindset.
And of course, we will continue and fulfill corporate social responsibilities
through the happiness of our employees, customers, stakeholders, and society.